How to fix mouse scroll speed slow in Windows 11. Hello friends, follow these steps. Click on Start, click on Settings, select Bluetooth and Devices, scroll down, go to Mouse, click on Additional Mouse Settings, go to the Wheel tab. For vertical scrolling, change this to 7 or whichever is comfortable for your computer. For horizontal scrolling, change it to 4. Click on Apply, click on OK. While using WASD keys during gaming, if the mouse scroll speed becomes super slow, simply press T or Ctrl plus T. This works as magic. The mouse scroll speed becomes normal after pressing T. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.